Leaving our home base. It is Saturday around 3:10. Heading to Anna Marie Island for the evening. Camping out at Bradenton Beach Marina with our friends. They're bringing their boat. All right, beautiful light winds all weekend. We do have a raccoon that's running around. The sun just came up. Absolutely gorgeous, so calm. Alright, leaving Bradenton Beach Marina.